Parliament will not interfere with the Sabc Chimombe Mpofu investigation. Achipiri mushe tiona kuti aiwa Jacob Mdenda antora masvike kuti aiwa Parliament aizomeita investigation pana uyana wiki no Chivayo nana Mike Chimombe sana ndabenda mashoko atawa na Jacob Mdenda not bo subscribe or like kuti na on the bell icon tipina na umonyo kwa mchinzi. Speaker of the National Assembly Advocate Jacob Mdenda made the ruling today after Marondera Central Member of Parliament Mr. Caston Mateo rose to make a request for the Parliament Portfolio Committee on Public Accounts to investigate the matter. In his ruling, Advocate Mdenda said, while the concern was valid, there was no need to involve Parliament since Sabc has already launched investigation. He said if Parliament had picked the allegations on time, they would have raised it and possibly referred to it. As Parliament, we must observe the doctrine of separation of powers. If one arm of the state is seized with the matter, we cannot come in to investigate, he said. Advocate Mdenda ndomachikota kana Jacob Mdenda chiti aiwa Sabc angatopindira saka this issue atingaidiscuss muno Parliament nako kuti tofana kurespecta mamwe maarms the government kana inge atotanga kuita investigation tusati yapindire. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe vanhu vanyaso kubatwa kumeso panapo chimotodzema mafunguro enyu munokudii pamusoro pemashoko avo vachiti aiwa we are not going to discuss this issue muno Parliament nokuti Sabc yakatotanga kuita investigation. Pira ngome section medu mutudze mafunguro enyu amusanga no subscribe kulike chinotina on the bell icon.